In that case, as I've mentioned, the national constitution, which gave birth to the NPRC, might be foundational in helping us to examine what it is that can be done. A national vision, nevertheless, must be a platform that must engender a sense of ownership guided by a new patriotism that is not based on party political ideology, but shared national values, identity, and a sense of belonging. This must also embrace the diverse political, social, traditional, race, tribes, and even the small, minute minority groups that are part of this great nation. The history of this country did not start with the coming of the Europeans, neither did it start with the coming of Mzilikazi. There were people here. Sometimes we also have amnesia. Our argument sometimes is very shallow. We need to go deeper in some of these arguments. Probably our problem is not colonialism, but colonization. Most of us